Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Guess what? I got another motorcycle dash cam to record. This is the VSYSTO P6F. It's got two cameras, of course, 1080p, 30 frames per second. Of course, it has loop recording. When you power it on, it automatically starts recording. We'll take it out of the box and look at it here and see what it looks like. All right, took the cover off the box. Looks like we have here the main unit itself, and boy, that thing is heavy. It must be made out of metal. It's aluminum or something. It actually feels like real good quality made. It's got a 2-inch LCD screen on it. There's the name on here. I guess they pronounce that VSYSTO. But looks like good quality. Let's check out the cameras. There's the cameras. Got a nice little mount on them. It's got a little arrow on the back pointing. You point that up so you get your horizon right. And one cool thing is it's labeled on here front and rear camera. There's the front, and obviously this other one here is going to be the rear. So here we have the rear camera, and of course there's going to be cables to connect it to your battery. Connected for USB right now until I test it and make sure it's good, see the quality and the quality of video. Then I can actually hook it to the battery if I want to. So another dash cam. Of course, this is not the only dash cam. I'll keep testing dash cams for motorcycles till I find the absolute best. And I got another one actually on the way, and I'll let you in on that one when it gets here. So let's go ahead and stick this sucker on here and see what it looks like. Alright, looks like here in the box we have the remote, which is the connect on the handlebars and to turn it off and on recording manually if you want. And here we get the power supply, which actually converts your 12 volt to 5 volt DC to run it. Or like I'm going to use right now, you can connect this USB cable and connect it by USB and to try it out. This is extension cables to make the cables for the camera long enough to reach wherever you're going to run them. Here's one here. Actually, this is okay. Here's the power cable. Yeah, so it looks like everything's here. We got both extension cables, the remote cable. So we'll connect this thing and just try it out and see what it's like before I do a complete install of it. Alright guys, I got it mounted temporarily. As I said, we put it right here, just stuck on here for now. Got my remote right here. Here's my front camera aiming forward with the arrow up, and my rear camera back here with the arrow up. So we should be good on that. We'll turn the key on, see what it does, because I got it plugged into the USB for now. But as I said, you'd want to mount this under the seat. The speaker doesn't actually sound very good on the audio part there where it talks to you. It's kind of tinty. And I turned it on, of course it started recording. We need to see how, I guess how level the horizon is. Actually that looks pretty good. Of course in my video, the way this is mounted right here, I can't go no further forward really as of yet, so you're going to see part of the headlight in it, and on the back you may see something too. Yeah, there's the back. Well, actually you don't see it. The back looks good, so you can switch to front to back here. You want to manually stop recording right there. I stopped it, and then I can go to menu, and all my settings are right in here in the menu, so you can set the all the settings for everything. You can actually check your videos that's on there, and there's also an app too. You can take the app and you can download the videos off on the app. And but that'd be a later video. Right now we're just worried about, let's check it out and let's see what the video does when recording. So I'm gonna start recording again, so it should be recording. Whoops, I think I freaked it out. It's wigging out there. Okay, there's front and I can see the rear. And then I'll post a recording video right after this, and you can see my status light here is blinking red, which evidently that means it's recording. So I'll post the videos front and rear here, and we'll see what they look like. And if I decide to keep this on here, I'll mount this under the seat and show you in a later video about the cell phone and how to do that. So here we go.